This is the Hornet LTX. Built to run hard, day after day, the LTX delivers consistent uptime you can count on. Precision motion ensures clean, repeatable cuts. Designed for high output and high profitability. Economical to own and powerful in performance. Unmatched motion and build quality, engineered to outperform in real-world shops. Powered by fully integrated Hypertherm plasma technology, the LTX offers high-power cutting with intuitive controls and an operator-friendly interface. Quick troubleshooting, built-in diagnostics, and seamless connectivity reduce downtime and keep production moving. Backed by Hypertherm's industry-leading support, you get reliability, speed, and performance. Compact and capable, with a footprint of 8.33 by 13.75 feet. A 5 by 10 foot cutting envelope supports full-size plates with a 3,500 pounds max table load. Exceptional motion control, tight tolerances, and high-quality inputs come standard. Linear ways on both axes provide stability and accuracy under load. A precision-machined helical gear rack ensures smooth travel and fine resolution. Toolless cover access makes maintenance fast and easy. AC servo motors drive powerful, precise motion. A built-in Crosshair laser simplifies part alignment. Fully enclosed cable tracks keep critical systems protected. And the zone downdraft system keeps your workspace clean and breathable. Fabricated from heavy-duty steel, the Hornet LTX is built to last. Increase your shop's capabilities. Boost your bottom line. Hornet LTX, built rigid. Runs clean. Works hard.